We're at the Canada border.
Gelato.
We're waiting in line.
These guys do not look happy.
These people are going to America. Oh, hi. America sign. Yeah. We're in Canada.
We're going to the
Gift shop.
Haha, they saw the
Wait, you
weird.
want to keep yours?
Just give mine and Stephanie.
Go me
Or you want Amy to keep it?
Amy, keep them.
Don't lose my passport.
Just keep them.
That's what. That's over there. Nikki, stop saying that! Good God!
I know. I was like, Nikki, please don't say this.
I keep saying, oh my gosh, I can't believe we made it through.
Oh.
Like at the airport.
Why wouldn't we?
Nikki got some weird looks at the airport when he said that.
There's a gift shop
Obviously, he
there,
smuggled marijuana. That's why he was high that one.
Marijuana.
Marijuana.
Yeah, that.
Cows, it's tip them.
Tip, you can't tip a cow.
GPS doesn't work.
You barely tip yourself.
I tipped you over.
GPS doesn't work in Canada? Oh, Canada's useless. Just kidding.
Yeah, where's all the roads?
Okay, so we are in Canada. And we're at Daiso, which is like a Japanese general store. That's all it's Judy's time. Now we're looking for cosmetics. Okay. I need lashes. Where are the lashes? And other stuff. Okay, I'll be right back. You got 2 eyelash curlers?
I'm get 2.
Alright.
Because the
I got
one Kelly has that I want, it's like 40 something.
dollars?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Pesos.
Okay. Yen. Are those chopsticks? No, those are fans. Okay. So I got eyebrow pencil, beauty scissors for my eyebrows, glossies, and fashion glasses because these have no actual glasses because I have 20/20 vision. But sometimes I think glasses look cute on. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my closet. I'm just kidding. I'm in IKEA. And then into my room with my coffee and my laptop and my bed. Oh my god, my furzels. And then this is where we have camp. I guess. I don't really know what I'm saying. I like that backboard thing. Valerie, if you had a room to yourself, this would be your... Oh my god, this kind of looks like Eli, but not really. Yeah. Or this would be like my LA, New York room. And see, there's Audrey Hepburn, just like Valerie likes. Like, these are so vintage chic. And look at that view. It's a painting. Actually, this is my house because it's Asians everywhere. Right? Like this bed. I like the lights. It's so fancy. Yeah. And there's like mint colored pillows. This is a king bed. And there's the closet. And then there's the bathroom. Oh my god, this closet. This is I would like this to be like my apartment. This is a nice apartment. Oh, great. I like that. I wish my closet did that. So at nighttime, I'm like, I can't see anything.
Look at this bathtub.
In the bathroom. Yeah. And what if it's long enough, though? What's the little thingies in there? That for soap? Oh, that like you put shampoo in there and you like pump it?
Wait, it's slide. I try to open it. Whoops.
See those things? And you just like put shampoo?
Yeah.
You just go. Urgh. This is definitely my kitchen. I will do it, and I'm gonna be on food network. See, the backyard is so nice, you know? So let's see what's in the fridge, even though it's like kind of partially open. There's nothing in here exactly. This is mine. These lights are everything. And I like that little, it looks like incense, like really big incense. What kind of light thing is this? Okay, do your Food Network thing. Ready? Succulents!
Oh, cute. I like.
Oh, I know someone on YouTube that has that. She has it like on her not her terrace, her like balcony. Yeah, wine, yeah. Oh, this is such a cute, look at that tiling, it's so adorbs for life. Let's play with this. They had these at Carter's under the what's it called? The cashier. God, like it's totally my living room. Guys, let's chill. Let's watch TV. What do you want to watch?
Are you asking me?
No, I'm asking the person next to you. What?
There's no one next to me.
Exactly.
She's going crazy.
I lied. This one's so my living room. I really like these color combinations, like the gray and the blue, like light or stonewash blue with the white and creams. It's just so peaceful. Obviously that person likes to read a lot of ice hotel books and Svensk-kurs. Just another room I like. I think mostly the lighting is very intriguing. I like how they have light. I like how they have light up there in the thing. And then the picture of the city is New York. And I love this. This is so pretty. Oh, and then this is perfect for your kitchen selfies. Forever life. Yeah. This is like home. I like that. I like how modern it looks. Oh, I like that light. I think I have a thing for lighting.
Oh, how cute.
That is adorable. That is such a space saver. You come in the bathroom. I think it said, hey, I don't know. The world, wow. I don't know. Someone, it says this on there, but I think there was letters here and there and stuff, but someone took it off. Rude. Oh my god, look at this, my rash thingy. It's from the dry weather. Look how bad it looks. Oh, you can't even see it because it's on the camera. See it? It looks terrible. But I'm putting like Clinique stuff on it, so it's okay. By taking shorter showers, you will save water and reduce the amount of energy used to keep the water nice and keep that water nice and hot. Oh, I like this. This is like what I was talking about when I was talking about bunk beds. I like that and then having an underneath thing.
Yeah.
Because I like having something over me. It just feels comforting. I've been doing this for like almost 30 seconds. Okay, it didn't really spin off the way I wanted to. We're playing hide and seek in IKEA. We're gonna find people. We have 3 people to find. There's someone in there. Someone in there. Brennan, I can see you. Thanks. Brennan, go over there. Go sit over there. Brennan, go sit over there. Someone's in there. Brennan, you can't look for them. I'm looking for them. You sit right there. You're allowed to sit on there. It's fine. Jesus. Okay. Are one of them in here? Why are you laughing? Are they under the bed? You can't look. There they are. There's no bed over there. Uh-huh, sure. Brennan. Where'd they go? I'm serious. I gave them a limited area. No one's in there. Where did they go? They do know that they're not allowed to go to the other room, right? What's it? Brennan, why are you counting? Okay. Where the heck are they? You know where they went, Brennan?
Huh?
You know where they went?
No, I never say that. I never keep a secret like that.
Can you give me a clue?
Huh?
Give me a clue.
I'll give you a clue. Follow those arrows and then go to your right and then into the other bathroom.
Where are you going? The other bathroom? There's no other bathroom. Brennan, what are you talking about? And no one's in there. Are you crazy?
Oh, yeah.
Where were you?
Over there.
Both of you?
No, guys, I won. We have to go.
You were in there the whole time?
You guys, I want to see the footage. You a crack open like this,
Uh-huh.
and I saw you walking like this. You walked like this, and you just walked right past it. I was like, crap, and then I closed it up. The rest of the time.
I suck.
I couldn't close it when you were right there, because then you would have.
Let's just stay on IKEA. Let's not go to the night market. I
I was thinking about that. Like, what if we just hid here, and nobody saw us, and then at night we just sleep here?
I'm pretty sure they have to check.
Well, they can't check every single. That's like the ultimate hide and seek game.
Yeah.
And now we have to find our way back.
Yeah, it's not hard. I know our way back. It's okay. Where did they go?
Where are the kids?
Where are the kids? The ones that aren't in high school or above. Oh well, that was our game. I suck. I lost. I only found Brendan. Night market in Canada.
A gift? Yay!
Oh, he's still happy.
By the info booth.
That one?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
You got free drink.
Come on, yeah.
Tonight's performances features K-pop Vancouver on stage from 6
He gets
to
Wi-Fi.
9. Once again, make sure you sign up for the piece. Yeah, have fun at the International Summer Night Market.
Sandwiches for $5. That's right.
That's $4.25 you can use to celebrate the sun or save for a rainy day. Either way, it's going to help make your everyday a whole lot better. And helping is
Fine.
so move your banking to
Bubble tea, bubble waffles, hurricane potatoes, and there are also clothing, jewelry, cell phone cases, socks, and other utilities on sale.
Free party!